How to install Snapchat on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. If you want to install Snapchat on Samsung Galaxy S25 series, it's very simple to do so. But before we get started, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. Install Snapchat on Galaxy devices. If you want to install Snapchat on Samsung Galaxy devices, it's very simple. Not just Samsung Galaxy, this also works for other forms of applications. Open up your Google Play Store on your Galaxy device and simply tap on the search icon and then search for Snapchat. You'll find the Snapchat application. If you've already installed it, you'll find the open button. If it requires an update, you'll find the update button. If you haven't installed it, then you'll find the install button. Then you can simply proceed with the changes to install the app. This way you'll be able to install Snapchat on Galaxy device. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.